Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about data analysis in Excel and how it can be used in Excel with simple examples. First, we give visual display of how it can be used and for what it is used. For that, we are going to use only simple examples. Okay, first it will come visual display, after that practical examples in Excel. So not to skip video, first we will give visual display, then practical one.
Ever pondered the significance of statistical analysis in Excel? Well, today is your lucky day. Excel offers an array of data analysis tools that are integral for statistical analysis. These tools, built into the fabric of Excel, assist users in carrying out an assortment of statistical calculations, hypothesis testing, and data visualization. First up is descriptive statistics. This is a branch of statistics that focuses on the collection, organization, summarization, and presentation of data. The main aim here is to offer a concise summary of the key features and characteristics of a dataset. It's a useful tool for understanding the central tendency, dispersion, and shape of a distribution, making the data more interpretable and accessible.
How to enable data analysis tool? For that, simply click on File, Options, then click on Add-ins, click on Excel Add-ins, Go, click button Analysis Tool, click OK. Okay, now it is added. So first we need to give summary of statistics. So just click it. Descriptive statistics, click OK. Then we need to give range of marks. Then click only columns, then summary statistics. Then where you want to place the summary, just give cell D1, click OK. Summary. Okay, like that it will give all information about statistics.
We have histograms. These are graphical representations of the distribution of a dataset. They provide a visual summary of the underlying frequency or probability distribution of continuous or discrete data. Histograms are particularly useful for understanding the shape, central tendency, and spread of a dataset.
How to get histogram? First we need to get frequency. Here maximum is 100 and minimum is 40. Okay, so there are 6. For that we need to create a range 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, 91 to 100. So in simply we can put it less than 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is bin. Based on that, we can able to collect frequency. Click on data analysis. Then click on histogram, click OK. Then we need to give range. First should be sales range. Okay, after that this is bin range. Where you want to place the statistics. Click OK. So we should get 10, 3, 7, 10. Okay, like that we can able to get frequency. So 80 is the maximum frequency, we got it.
Then we delve into regression analysis. This is a statistical method employed to model the relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. The goal here is to understand how changes in the independent variables correlate with changes in the dependent variable. It's widely employed in fields such as economics, finance, biology, and social science.
Regression testing. Okay, again click on data analysis, click on regression, click OK. First need to give duty time, then production, click on labels, then we have to place cursor where to statistics should come. This is regression statistics.
We also have analysis of variance, or ANOVA. This is a statistical technique used to analyze the differences among group means in a sample. It's particularly useful when comparing means from 3 or more groups to determine if there are statistically significant differences between them.
How to get ANOVA? Click on data analysis, ANOVA, then click range, row, then simply give where to get results, D1, click OK. This is done.
Sampling is another vital tool. It's a statistical method that involves selecting a subset of individuals or elements from a larger population to make inferences about the entire population. The objective here is to obtain a representative and unbiased subset that accurately reflects the characteristics of the entire population.
How to get sampling? For that, simply click on data analysis, click on sampling, OK. Then we need to give entire range, labels is selected, then how many samples you want, 10, then where to place, G2, click OK. So sample data is available now.
About random number generation. Excel allows you to generate random numbers for simulations and modeling using the rand function for decimal values or rand between for integers.
To get random data, just select range equal to rand, bracket open, bracket close, Control Enter. Okay, in case we want some specific data range, then same process ran between, for example, 45 to 95 data we want, then simply put lower is 45, upper is 95. Control Enter. Control, just paste the value only, so numbers will not change. T-test.
The t-test and z-test. The t-test is a statistical method used to compare the means of two groups and determine if there is a significant difference between them. The z-test, on the other hand, is used to determine if there is a significant difference between a sample mean and a known or hypothesized population mean.
T-test, just first give range, again second range, click OK. Z-test, click it, city 1, city 2, so D1, click OK.
Summary: Excel offers a plethora of statistical tools that aid in data analysis, including descriptive statistics, histograms, regression analysis, ANOVA, sampling, random number generation, t-test, and z-test. Each tool has its unique purpose and application, making Excel a versatile and powerful platform for statistical analysis.